Namaste, నేను డాక్టర్ అనూష. Fibroids in pregnancy. So, fibroids, what effect it will cause in pregnancy? Basically, fibroids can be submucosal or intramural and subserosal. Submucosal will be inside the uterus. So, when the fibroids are inside towards the uterine cavity, the embryo that is forming cannot implant within the uterine cavity. So even if we try for IVF with a submucosal fibroid, it can be causing problem, implantation failure, because it will not have, the embryo will not get the adequate supply from the uterus. Then once in case if the pregnancy is positive and there are fibroids, so what effects will be causing on the pregnancy? It might cause miscarriages, abortions. In the first 3 months, it might lead to miscarriages due to improper implantation, because once the placenta is getting formed and it is over the fibroid will obstruct the blood circulation towards the placenta. Then in the second and third trimesters, it might cause preterm deliveries, in few cases IUGR, and sometimes there can be some structural abnormalities like clubfoots because of the pressure effects of the fibroid, and because the baby will not have adequate space to grow within the uterine cavity. So then IUGR, if the suppose the some studies have shown that in case if the baby is getting adequate blood supply, it will not cause IUGR. And preterm deliveries, because the fibroids will have it will lead to uterine contractions, preterm uterine contractions. Then suppose if the fibroid is sitting in the lower segment of the uterus and obstructing the cervix, it might cause difficulty for the baby to come down towards the cervix, and in that situations we need to go for cesarean sections. And in case the uterus is when the baby is actually not having adequate space towards the lower uterine segment, then it might cause abnormal presentations like breech presentation, and in that case also we need to go for cesarean section. And during the delivery and after the delivery, it might lead to PPH. Why? Because the uterus doesn't adequately contract, and there might be excessive bleeding after the delivery of the baby. Thank you.